Well, hey y'all, recently Mr. Patient and I got in the kitchen together and we had loads of fun doing a live YouTube video. I pulled out the recipe for y'all to have, and that is this right here. Welcome
Mr. Patient
to our kitchen.
So I've got the can of beans and about 1 pound of ground beef. Let me back up. Let me say that after this is over, I'm probably gonna cut the recipe part out of the video and make a new video, because a lot of people don't have time or want to hear the kitchen chat, and that is absolutely fine with me. So what I'll do is I'll take a little section out and just have a piece, the video that's the recipe. So for that purpose, I will tell you that we browned 1 pound of ground beef. We put in 1 can of drained pinto beans. Use whatever beans you want to use, and can you just mash it around? It's okay to break up the beans, whatever, that's fine. Or if you wanted to use a can of pork and beans, you could do that. This is very versatile. I've got about a cup of ketchup. I've got a squirt of mustard, which is probably, looks like 2 teaspoons. I've got about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I've got 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Okay, so you can do something like that. Mr. Patient can stir that, please. You could do something like that, or just buy barbecue sauce, or make whatever kind of sauce. So that's about a cup of sauce. So what he's going to do is he's going to mash these. Now, again, you can use homemade biscuit dough, but that didn't happen today.
Do I need to do this one too?
Yes, sir. We should have plenty. Yeah, we should. 8 and 8, 16, 12. Wow, that'll be okay. All right, so what we're going to do, like I just said, you can make your own biscuit dough, but you're going to put the things in here like little cups. We have 2 containers of these are just buttermilk jumbo biscuits from Aldi. Okay, so you're just combining your meat and your sauce. Then do not pre-bake the cups, but you add the meat mixture in the cups. And they're supposed to be about 375 for roughly 18-ish minutes. So we're just going to put cheese all over them and bake them, like I said, for about 18 or so minutes. I mean, the meat's cooked, you're just baking the bread. So yeah, I mean, if you wanted it to be easy, look, you could just do a can of pork and beans, and you could almost skip that sauce. But let's go. You know.
Now, there's a hunk of burning love right there.
Yeah. Wow. And then what do you think about the muffins?
Yep, that's what I'm talking about.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Oh. So that's the. What do we call them? Sloppy biscuits? Is that what we called them? Is that what we said?
I'll go out walking
after midnight
in the moonlight,
just thinking of you. Okay, that's enough of that. All right, we're done. Thanks for joining us.
The entertainment's free.
Thanks. You can leave a tip.
And don't tell us to get a haircut either, because ain't none there.
You can leave a tip. So, yeah.